Okay, hey guys, my package from Amazon came in, and I can feel it, and you can actually kind of see it. So I'm guessing it's gum, because it's the only thing I ordered. But I'm guessing it's my Spyderco knives. So I'm gonna go ahead and try and cut this open. Come on, guys. Okay, I kind of got it open. Yep, it's exactly what I ordered. Okay guys, here it is. The Spyderco slip joint folds. Contents includes 3 Spyderco slip joint folders. The C133 Bug, the C137 Honeybee, and the C138 Grasshopper. It's flat ground high carbon steel blade for hardness and durability. Spyderco trademark round hole. Reliable high performance. Lanyard hole. If you guys don't know what a lanyard is, it's like a thing where your necklace goes. But anyway, a stainless steel handle and laser engraved Spyderco Bug logo. And here they are. Oh my god. Never know how small it is until you actually see it for the first time. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Pull it out. And there they are. Oh my god. This one was actually handled by someone because there's fingerprints all over it. So let me go ahead and get these out. Let me get the Spyderco Bug. Go ahead and set it up. Set you guys up right here. It won't fall down. Okay, and here's the Spyderco Bug. God, that is really, really tiny. That's how big that is. Put them right here. And next we got the Spyderco Honeybee. Oops, sorry guys. And that's how big that one is. And we got the Spyderco Grasshopper, which is the biggest of them all. Oh, you guys can put this back. I ordered these on the 28th. Oh, originally the 25th, which was Christmas, and they couldn't do that, so they shipped it 3 days later. I don't know why they shipped it 3 days later, but whatever. And the Spyderco Grasshopper right here. And that's how big that one is. Yeah, there's some fingerprint smudges on here. And they feel really, really sharp. Okay. So these are the knives, guys. Got the Spyderco Bug. That's how big that one is. Got the Spyderco Honeybee. And you got the Spyderco Grasshopper. A little comparison on the Grasshopper and the Bug. That's how big the Bug is compared to the Grasshopper's blade, guys. Oh my god. Compared to the Grasshopper completely. And the Honeybee. Oh my god, guys, I'm so glad I bought these. I've been wanting the Spyderco Bug set for like ever. Okay guys, Spyderco the slip joints, guys. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more unboxings.